coming back. Thank you. Thank you. Sure.
Hi. Thank you. Have enjoy your time. Good morning.
Yeah.
All right, you are all set. All right, gotcha.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, got it.
How cute. 10th Annual Coffee Festival. All right, guys, this is it. This is what we wait the whole year for. Oh. Got to get our cup.
We have like a third party.
Thank you. All right, guys, I think the plan is we should go deep.
Oh yeah, it goes crazy, right? Oh, actually, right here.
All
Guys, just so
right.
you know, all of our cold brew lattes are made with oat milk. It avoids any dietary restrictions, allergens, preferences, and then we also can buy now, pick up later, which is really nice.
I think what we should do is go far and work our way out this way. Yeah, let's do that. All the pickle guys here. I'm gonna have to get pickles on the way out. And it's my favorite place. Okie dokie, let's see.
We got a toffee maple crunch this year that's brand new.
That's new?
Pumpkin spice, make me crazy caramel hazelnut vanilla flavoring. You're going for the new one. I like it. It's been very popular this year.
I'll have to buy some.
Oh, that one's really good. We had that to try right over there. Yes, so these are our gas. Yeah, 25 days. Well, look at you. You came prepared. You've been here before, haven't you?
Once or 100 times. Yes.
We've got our flavored coffees here and then our unflavored down there. We've got toffee maple crunch, which is a new flavor this year. Just came out about 3 weeks ago. Pumpkin spice, make me crazy caramel hazelnut and Kahlua flavoring. We've got our chocolate cherry and salted caramel. Southern pecan. We've got Highlander grog, which is butterscotch and rum. Sticky bun is cinnamon caramel flavoring. And then our cinnamon hazelnut. And cream sugar and sweetener.
Oh, that's good. Okay, let me pay for this. Let me buy some.
It's $94.99. They're available for pre-order online. Yes, absolutely.
They're addicting.
And look how beautiful these boxes are.
They're addicting.
Oh, those are new this year.
Do you like the new packaging this year?
I do like the new
Very
packaging this
cool.
year.
A little easier than the stickers.
Oh, chocolate.
Oh, no. And that's
Yeah.
different every
Exactly.
single day.
I love it.
Like, it is a true advent calendar. We did
If
25
you like
days
the
because we're
toffee
like, what
maple,
about
we'll
actually
warn you,
Christmas?
I
Like,
only have
why don't we have
what's
something for
left on
that
the table
day?
for the
So
round.
we thought it through. We're very proud of them, and they're definitely worth it. Go to silverbridge.com.
Oh, so good.
And you get a free tote as well to carry around other goodies.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Let me find money. Do you take Apple Pay?
Yes, we do.
That'll be easy. I love the new packaging on your advent this year. Yeah.
Thank you.
I think it went through. Hold your reader.
Lovely. Situated in there.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Have a good day. Okay, guys, we just went to my favorite coffee roaster of all time. Let's see what else we can find.
It tastes like a Starburst.
Pottery? Guys, this is like where I need to be in life. I found one of the tea places, but I'm looking for tea companies. I need loose leaf tea. We're gonna find it, don't you worry. All right, guys, I need to stop spilling coffee all over myself or find a place I can wash my hands.
You're doing a good job. All right. What's
You wanna
the
go in
name?
there?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, look, I found a place. Oh. Okay, fun inside. Hi.
Let me know if you have any questions. If you'd like to try, we have our apple cinnamon on tap.
Is there sugar in it?
I do not.
Okay.
The tea back here has a little bit in it though.
Okay.
Sample.
Did you want to taste our coffee star? We have an apple cinnamon tea. We can do a taste of our apple cinnamon.
Ooh.
Hi there, what can we get you?
Can I get the coffee, please?
All right, we're gonna get this.
Hey there.
Hi.
Picked up black spice shot. Good one.
Smart.
Oh, it'll be on this side.
People bring
Oh.
their own creamer now. That's so smart.
$6.
It helps.
Did you want
I
that?
don't drink mine without.
Me neither. Me neither. I thought I'd be the weirdo, but I see.
Nope, I'm good.
That's just me.
There was like 2 creamer stations and they were all
I hit the
out.
places that pass out bags first.
Yeah.
And then yesterday I saw
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Do you want to sample any other stuff? She's ringing them up.
Good, thank you. I'm trying to pace myself.
Yes. Hi.
Something strong.
Like strong caffeine or bold flavor?
Bold flavor.
Sumatra is up next.
But
I
I would
don't
say
have
Colombia.
I'm not gonna try it. I don't like dark coffee. I'm gifting it to somebody.
Okay, so the Sumatra.
The Sumatra?
Sumatras are true dark roast. It's an Indonesian dark roast.
Okay, let's get that for him. I think he'll like it.
Awesome. Do you want whole bean or brown?
Ground.
Thank you very much. Did you give him a sticker? Okay. Brown sticker. Give it to him.
I'm happy to see the cats one.
Oh, yay! That was probably honestly our best seller yesterday.
Well, because cats and coffee and books. Just saying.
That's like my sister. She said that was her, like, she's like, what about us cat lovers? I said, I gotcha.
All right.
Okay, and will you be paying with tab?
Yeah.
$1 service fee for credit card.
Okay.
Sorry.
Nope, you're fine. The longer we take, the less I spend. Oh, hold on. It's going to make me do it twice.
Let me give you a sticker too.
Oh, I like stickers.
I'll get, since it's gifting, I'll give you 2 of them.
What's the Huggy Sticks?
It's like the morning play. And would you like
Central
that?
America.
I'll throw it in here. Thank you so much. I've got so much tea.
Oh, more fun shirts.
All right, off to the next building. Oh, tea.
Have a good day.
We have our honey hunter, the very light type of milk. We have our mama's milk and apples and pork chocolate and that.
What a beautiful morning. Wash my hands. All right, maybe we should look for something for Chipper. See what they have. Maybe we'll get him a bully stick. Oh, cute. All right. I need some stickers.
I wanted to tell her to
Oh, you're out. What she told him your entire
Sorry.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you doing?
I'm getting the shakes.
Oh, didn't you just start?
No. I've been here. I went all the way out.
Okay.
I'm like, I'm going to avoid these people. So I'm going to go all the way that way and work my way back.
Very smart. Good work.
Okay, guys, let me show you what I got at the coffee festival. First, we got a cup. You get one every year. It does have the year. I think it's the same design, just a different year. So I got that. I might have gone a little crazy. I went to the pet place. I got for Chipper a giant bully stick. And then little Luna got a little bully stick. Because Chipper's a big old German Shepherd and Luna's a little Chihuahua. And then I got for them a bacon and cheese chew for Chipper. And Luna got pumpkin sticks. Chipper can have these too. Luna just doesn't eat the big things. And then for the boys, I got some treats. These are whitefish cat treats. We'll see. I'm sure they'll like them. Christmas. Ooh, I went to the sticker shop. Jackie and Will run the sticker shop, and I got Sorry I'm Late. I didn't want to come. That's for somebody. And I got a Kindle. And for me, I said, don't ask me, I just work here. And then I got Coffee Saves Lives, Mostly Yours, or Yours Mostly. Let's see if I'm getting that even in camera. Look it, I can tell you these things. Yes. Okay, so I got that. I just spent a lot of money. These were 4 for $10. For a gift for somebody, I got coffee. And this is Curly Dog Coffee, a family story, drink coffee, pet dogs. And this is Growling Grind Sumatra. It's a dark roast for somebody who likes a dark roast. Oh, we got stickers too. I got for a gift for somebody, I got Christmas shopping done. This is a lavender set. You get pillow spray, a lip balm, a soap, and a whipped body butter, and then a bag for your soap. And a pretty little gift basket. Little things. I got 2 of those. I got myself one and a gift. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, I got tea from Fruits and Roots Coffee Roaster. So they do tea and coffee, and this is black spice chai. I was looking for like a sleepy time chamomile something, but they didn't have any. That's okay. So I got this, and these are all local to Columbus. I picked up, and these are beans, so I can grind them for my mocha pot. And this is cocoa almond pecan notes. Yes, and it's espresso air cafe and roastery. So these are again local, but these are beans. So I'm going to learn to grind for my mocha pot. I just have to set up my grinder after I go through the coffee I already opened. So that's for me. I think that's it in here, right? Yeah. Okay. Then the last thing I got. Oh, and I got bags because people give you bags. Just putting my stuff away. Hold on. The Espresso Air gave us a canvas tote bag, and then my absolute favorite coffee is Silverbridge for the flavored coffees. And this year I picked up Jamaica Me Crazy, which is caramel hazelnut and Kahlua. And then I got, this one is new this year, Toffee Maple Crunch. I love these coffees, they're really good. They all come with these little metal things, so when you put your coffee, you just fold it down. And I got this coupon or something maybe. Oh, they have an online store. So that's everything I got. So I got some great Christmas gifts, and I got some good shopping for me. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed my walkthrough and helping me learn to use my new camera. The battery died on me. You'll see probably one cut off, but I'm learning. So that's good.